Hi, Mr. Gary Maselli, Green Meadows Cleaning. We're trying to get things organized downstairs for the basement clean out. And I just wanted you to see here in the back of the truck, the owner was graciously nice to us to actually give us this heavy piece of plastic. So we're going to save it. We're going to use a wet dry vac downstairs. But come with me and I'll show you some of the clean outs that we have to do. So follow me. Okay, I'll be coming up the stairs right here. We swept the stairs politely. Sometimes you'll encounter a heavier clean out than this. This is not too bad this time. In a real estate clean out. As you see, we have a lot of stuff that we're going to put on the trailer here and take it to the dump, and what is recycled is recycled. This is Mr. Gary Maselli saying have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.